We will be going over the chapter of Class 11 CBSE Python Dictionary. What is a dictionary? It is just like a list, and the index value is an integer in the case of a list, but in a dictionary, the index value can be other data types and are called keys. The keys are used as a string as it is easy to recall, and it is a useful data storage when we want to store and retrieve key pair values, where each element is accessed by a unique key. However, dictionary keys are not in sequences and hence maintain no left to right. We can refer to a dictionary as mapping between a set of indices, which are called keys, and a set of values. Each key maps a value. The association of a key and a value is called a key value pair. So this is the key and here is its value. These are separated by a colon. Dictionaries are used by curly brackets, and each pair in the dictionary is represented by a key and a value which is separated by a colon, and multiple pairs are separated by v commas. They are an unordered collection of key value pairs, and it has a length, the number of the key value pair, and the dictionary provides fast lookup by the key. The key must be immutable object types. Let's say a equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the key 1, 2, 3, and over here 1, 2, 3 is the value. How do we create a dictionary? We can create the dictionary by using dict when it has no items. This is a built-in function. So d equal to dict, print dict, so this shows us the dictionary. Another example is this. We are creating a dictionary by taking two strings and separating them by a colon. This is the key, this is the value. Creating and traversing a dictionary. What we do is we check each and individual character by writing for I in device. We are printing device of I. So what this basically does is it just prints the values of the dictionary. So scanner, printer, mouse, etc. Another method is by creating a dictionary, and we use these square brackets which shows the key, and the value is entered after the equal to sign. So this is basically the key and this is the value. And basically when we're saying d of I, it just means the values. So you can remember that. Now some of the built-in methods in a dictionary. Dict.clear, it removes all the elements of the dictionary. When we want to copy something, we use dict.copy. Then for dict.get, we use the key. So for key, we return the value or default if key is not in dictionary. And by using dict.items, we return a list of dictionaries key, comma value. We can also update the dictionary, and this adds the dictionary's key value pairs to the dict. And dict.value returns the list of the dictionary's dict values. Similarly, keys just returns the keys. We can also return the list of dictionaries keys, and we can pop the items and remove them. This is the clear method where we are just removing everything away from the dictionary. So everything gets deleted by using the clear method. And the output is an empty dictionary, as you can see below. Dict.copy method. So in the copy method, it's the same as we've done before in previous videos. We're just writing the new dictionary, the old dictionary, and dot copy. And moving on, we have the output as the same. Next is the dict.get method. What this does is that getting the, let's say this dictionary had Newton, Dowling, and Turing. So Newton's value is 1642. So what we're trying to do is we are trying to get the value of the key by writing dot get and entering the key in strings. So it gives 1642. By using dot items, what this basically does is it gives us the list of all the items, which is basically the key alongside the value. So all three combined, the entire thing. So we get the entire thing as the output. Next is the dict.keys method. It just returns all the keys, Newton, Dowling, Turing, and that is the output. By using the dict.update method, What we are trying to do is that we're trying to update device. We're trying to add dev1 to device. So all this is actually added to the end of the list called device. By devices.values, we're just the values method returns the dictionary values. So these values are just getting returned. By using the dig.pop method, we're removing the let's say the key 4 in this case right here, and what this does is it prints the value which is getting deleted, and it deletes both the key and the value. So in the new dictionary 4 is missing. Next, so in this method it removes the values or the items from the dictionary. So as you can see, 1 and keyboard is removed from here. Now, some assignments for you guys to practice is to sort the dictionary in ascending and descending by the values. And then we want to add a key to the dictionary alongside its value, which is 230 right here. And next we want to concatenate the two dictionaries to create a new one. These three to get the output as this. Next we want to check if the given key already exists in a dictionary. That also has been discussed in the video. Next, we have to iterate over the dictionaries using for loops. That also we've done. This is a bit of a challenging problem. Not that challenging, but I'm sure you guys can try it and let me know in the comment section below. I hope all of you understood and enjoyed the video and got to learn something new. Thank you so much. And I hope that you continue to see more videos and help support us. Please do share them with all your friends and family.